How to set password to folder in Windows 11. Now this is actually quite simple. In order for us to get started, I'm just going to go ahead and type here lock folder Windows chimp paste bin, just like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and look for this one right here. Okay, I'm going to open it. All right, and you should be able to see this code right here. I want you to go ahead and copy this one, and then I want you to go ahead and open a notepad and paste it here. And then what you are going to do is just basically put the password. Now how do we do that one? So I want you to go ahead and look for this one right here. Enter password here. So you can just go ahead and type here anything. I'm going to go ahead and try, for example, password 123, and then save this one. Now we're going to locate that same folder as we want to do so. Say for example, this sample file right here, I'm going to go ahead and put here a password. Now, instead of the text document, you're going to right click all files, and then you're going to go ahead and put here bat, just like so, and then save it. Now let's go and open that same folder. All right, this one right here. So you have the password. You can go ahead and double click this one. And what is going to happen is that a private folder is going to appear. Now that we have the private folder, we can then go ahead and basically put there or drag and drop there our files. So you have here the private folder again. Now I'm going to go back and basically lock this one. To do that, I'm going to right click this one, and then I'm going to go ahead and type Y in order to lock this folder. Hit enter, and you should be able to see it disappear. Now one more time, I'm going to go ahead and hit enter, and this time I'm going to go ahead and type here the password. But what if, say for example, it's the wrong password, just like so? You see nothing is going to happen. But then again, if we are going to enter our real password or correct password, then we should be able to access that one. And that, everybody, is how you are going to lock folder in Windows 11.